Introducing the all-new air vent magnetic car mount from Spigen. It's designed with strong magnets so that you can easily mount and rotate with any large smartphone device. Simple and convenient. Spigen, moving forward.
When you open the wallet, you can unfold the hidden coin pocket and simply fold it back to lock it. While creating the second edition of Minimax, we took on board feedback from our awesome backers from the first campaign and redesigned the coin pocket so now you can access it while keeping the cash secure underneath it. Minimax has got 4 separate card pockets, all capable of holding multiple cards. 2 on the outside for your most used cards and 2 securely located inside of the wallet. To insert cash, simply fold back the coin compartment so it creates a shelf for your banknotes. This multifunctional part of the wallet allows you to count cash with a trick unique to Minimax. Simply hold the banknotes with the pocket and flick through your cash, picking the exact banknotes you need. Minimax offers not only protection from RFID fraud, but also a Pro RFID feature that allows you to use your public transport, library and other contactless cards without taking them out. Make sure you use the card slot just above the logo. The elastic band makes sure the Minimax stays closed and keeps your cards in their pockets. Our unique and thought-through design offers you a top-quality product. Every single wallet is laser cut to perfection out of top-grade Italian leather, handmade, and features an engraved Minimax logo at the front. Minimax will be available in 2 leather colours, brown and black, and 4 rubber band colours to choose from.